Hey, you two, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are the three of the Jade bracelet that my wife purchased. So this video is not sponsored by this company. I think the total with the free shipping without tax is about 70 something bucks. Anyway, let's go and then dive into it and then check it out. And it is shipped from China, so it takes a while. One, two, three. So it seems like each box have different kind of rows. So this one has a bigger rows. I'm not sure if it's a bigger or thicker bracelet. Let's go and then check out the silver one. So this is the like a white color. Let's go and then check out the second one. So yeah, this one is a little bit thicker and have a little touch of purple color that is mixed with the white. Wow, that is very thick. Let's go and then check out the last one right here. So this one is wrapped with a newspaper or something. And this one is the dark green color. Some of the green one is a little bit smaller. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.